Hey folks, we fixed to make some banana bread. Come on with me.
There you go.
What do you want me to say?
Oh, you want her to start the cooking?
Hey folks, we're fixing to make some banana nut bread. Come on with me. And let's get to cooking. So we're gonna cream our butter and 1/4 cup of sugar. Cream that. 2 eggs that I've already beaten. And then we're going to put 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. I've already measured them out. I've already mashed them. You just take a masher and smash them. There's 3 of them. I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And for a recipe, if you don't have any buttermilk, you can always use regular milk and put some vinegar in it. Wait a few minutes and it will make buttermilk. Just mix that together. And we're going to take 2.5. Plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's mix that. We're going to put 1 cup of pecans, chopped. Mix that together. I'm going to take the 1/2 cup of pecans and scatter them on the top. And we're going to bake them at 350 for 1 hour. And I'm going to check it after 45 minutes. So let's get to baking. We just took this banana bread out of the oven and it looks delicious. We baked it for 45 minutes and it is just so moist. So I hope you try this banana nut bread. Watch the next videos for more recipes and cooking tips.